Good morning, it's Dory. It's day 29, and I did not get blown away last night, so I slept really well, finishing packing up, and I'm gonna hit the trail in just a few minutes. Here's the morning view. There's Middle Velma Lake. Lots of mosquitoes in this wet, marshy area. Gotta keep moving. At least it's downhill, I can move faster. I'm recording a little less for you this morning than I normally do because I'm having some really good revelations, thoughts on how I, need to work on being a better version of me. And so I'm working through a lot of baggage, a lot of stuff in my brain, and coming up with some good thoughts, good solutions, good things to be, do, have moving forward in my life. And I'm doing a voice recording, voice memos on my phone so I can remember this stuff and not forget it, and transcribe it, write it down, and make sure that I move forward with that stuff. So it's feeling hard. You can tell I've been crying. but also really good, really positive. But I'll remember to record a little more for you. There's been a lot of meadows and mosquitoes for a while now. just passed another hiker going southbound, and he said that there was trail magic at the Barker Pass trailhead, which is in about 9 miles from here. And I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get there in time. And he said that she was there yesterday and she stayed until 7 yesterday and said she was coming back today. So fingers crossed I get some trail magic at the end of my day today. Eee! It's so exciting, even the hope for it. Trail angels are wonderful. Here's the sign. I'm leaving Desolation Wilderness. Goodbye. Richardson Lake. I'll find a spot to have lunch down there. This looks like a pretty good lunch spot. See on these rocks. All right, lunchtime. The breeze is keeping the mosquitoes away. Thank you, breeze. Okay, goodbye, Richardson Lake. Thank you. Back on the trail. Just crossed this creek, Miller Creek, and I keep seeing some big honking tadpoles in the water. Let's see if I can find one for you. There's one right there. Oh. There's one right there. You see it? There's one. Fishy. That was a fun creek. I just met Shine and Neverland from Korea, who are hiking the whole PCT this year. I was showing them the tadpoles, and I realized tadpole is a strange word. I wonder why we call them that. I think they might be the first thru hikers I've met from Korea. I met quite a few, maybe a handful of Japanese thru hikers before, but I don't think anybody from Korea yet, so that's pretty cool. I let them know that maybe there might be trail magic in 4 miles of the road. So we'll see if it's there. Hopefully it's there. 4 more miles. Out of the wilderness. So we'll be crossing some roads again. Crossing another dirt road. Looks like they've got some kind of construction going on. flowers are so tall. These are flowers. Making really good time today. That supposed trail magic, that Barker Pass trailhead, is going to be my 16.2 mile mark. I've got about half a mile left to get there, and it's only 4:15. So, go me, crushing the miles. Yeah. Helicopter went by really close. Told the trail magic is this way. And a toilet.
What I've noticed is like you don't like the busy work, but what I've noticed
All sorts of goodies. All sorts of supplies. So nice. The safety pans, that's needed. Deep. Alright, thanks to Valerie and Ben for the trail magic. I've decided I'm not going to camp right here at this parking lot because there's a lot of dead trees. So I'm going to risk it. A mile up is a pretty exposed spot that could be windy. But windy on a hillside is better than camping under dead trees, in my opinion. Let's see what we got. Maybe another mile or two. It's 5:30. Trail magic was dinner, so we'll see. I don't have to soak anything. I just set up and go to bed. Okay. This looks pretty good here. It's nice and flat. I don't see any. There's a tiny dead tree. There's a couple small dead trees, but not too bad. This site is supposed to be pretty exposed. Got a view of Lake Tahoe. But it looks like I can tuck back a little further into the trees, so I think this This is where I'm going to sleep tonight. Maybe even just right here. I've got this little tree here as a wind block. That's probably good.
See the woodpecker? It's pecking off the mushrooms and then looking underneath it for bugs. Look at the pretty beetle inside my tent. I don't know what you're doing inside my tent, but you're really pretty. Okay, time to go outside. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, are you dead? Oh, you think it's dead? Oh, you're not dead. It's still moving. Okay. Come on. I can't do this. Wow. There we go. Okay. Be free outside. Bye, little one.
Okay, my tent set up. Sitting here over in my living room, dining room. Bear cans double as chairs. So I'm sitting on the chair, sorting out my food for tomorrow, looking at the beautiful Lake Tahoe view. Not a bad spot. Thanks for hanging out with me on another beautiful day in the Sierra. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.